Today we're in the port of Belfast, Ireland. Here are the shuttle buses that Princess provides to get into town. We're going to go check out the terminal building now. There is a small souvenir shop at the terminal tent. We're not going into town today since we have a laundry to do, and we wanted to see some onboard local entertainment. Self-service laundry is located on all decks except the Lido deck. Detergent is available for purchase for $1.50. Each wash and dry cycle are $3 each. You have to pay on your Princess account. See how much it costs to have Princess do your laundry. Yikes!
We're at the northern coast of Scotland, getting ready to cross over the top. And the water actually looks like we're in the Caribbean. It's gorgeous. A lot of clouds over there, so you really kind of can't see as great of the land, but you can see how mountainous it is. Saw on the maps there are roads and some habitations there.
This is the lower part of the Orkney Islands, northern Scotland. This is the northernmost coast of Scotland. It's actually called Scrabster.